Collecting the fish is one thing. Keeping it is quite another. Animals that live in places that are snowbound for half the year need very special survival strategies. And no part of northern Japan is safe from the deep freeze of winter. Even the seas turn to ice. Red foxes have learned that, despite appearances, there is food to be had here. You just need to wait for the right moment. Opportunities like this don't stay secret for long. Birds. They arrive in great numbers. If it is to eat, this fox will have to ignore their attacks. Collecting the fish is one thing. Keeping it is quite another. The birds are just too aggressive. But occasionally, their continuous fighting works to a fox's advantage.